Alright, so here's day 15 of my custom MOC advent calendar. And it's an oven with cookies in it. I know you can't fit the pan in fully, so you have to do it like this. But yeah, here's the oven I made for the cookies. So, here's yesterday's. Here's the Christmas tree stand that we built a few days ago. Here's, I think, day 2, day 1, I think, the sled, and some more stuff. Here's all the minifigures. We'll be on a few more minifigures soon, so we got 9 more days left, so it's going to be getting really big now. Thanks for watching, I'll see you guys tomorrow.